Hello traders, this is Rich Derrick from tradesight. I'm going to take a moment here and take a look at the scans and see what they have to tell us about the market leaders for tomorrow. That's Wednesday, February 6th. Right now we've got definitely a buy-side interest in the NASDAQ names. There's a couple little sells in there, but they're definitely overwhelmed by the buy interest. Have some really good volume today in Baidu. That stock is down big off the open. It's down more than 11.5% off the open. And definitely seeing some positive action, some follow through in BlackBerry as well. Definitely a big push up there. So a couple names to keep in mind. Entertainment Arts, EA, also had a strong day. Onto the financials. A lot of strength here, and they're also of the CPS signal variety, the continuation pressure signals. So definitely don't want to be short those overnight for risking a gap up here, which this is implying. So either a gap down is going to be bought or a gap up tomorrow morning. So looking for follow through in the financials tomorrow. Onto the energy patch, better to buy. ACI definitely seeing some really good weakness today on big volume. Arch Coal, PBR also seeing real big weakness again on also on volume, but the balance of the energy patch is better to buy for tomorrow. Onto the market generals. This is pretty consistent with what we saw in the financials. Mostly better to buy, and also mostly the CPS variety on buy signals. Housing stocks, also a couple of indications there. We've got one camo and two differential buys. Not usually quite as strong as the CPS signals, but definitely need to be respected. Canadian HOV here, pretty strong to the downside, more than 6% below today's open. And finally, the actual commodity names. This is where we're seeing a little bit of less enthusiasm. This sector right now, according to the scans, is paired off 50-50 buys versus sells pretty much. So not really seeing too much there. So the NASDAQ names are fairly strong. The generals are stronger than NASDAQ, and the strength in the financials is definitely the highlight of the generals. So a little something to think about as we get ready for tomorrow. I usually like to take a look at this and kind of incorporate that into my work that I do in the evening for the next day's trade. So until tomorrow, this has been Rich Derrick from tradesight. Thanks for listening.